Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, I will show you how to restore menu bar background in macOS Sequoia. In macOS Tahoe, the liquid glass design overhaul makes the menu bar look less like a bar than ever because there's no longer a visible background to it. If you dislike the appearance of menu items floating at the top of your desktop, to fix that, go to System Settings. At System Settings, go to Menu Bar. At Menu Bar, toggle on the switch next to Show Menu Bar Background. Now you restored the menu bar background. Let me know in the comments below if you like this feature. It's that simple. Hope you liked this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.